Una welcome on top of the party show.
When you open your eye like that, they
Like
be like 2 egg yolk.
But shall I still get big eye?
They be like 2 egg. You don't say your eye no clear white, no be clear white.
No be clear white.
So it be like 2 egg yolk. Egg will not done quick. You know that or the one way overdone. Maybe you want yellow, but become white one hour. And so your eye they I open it like that. I say they.
When I smell, they say my eye na anya akpa.
Egg yolk.
Na they call
What be anya akpa?
Na be eye will be like bag. You say just big like so they don't lose suspect me.
It be like those
for
also
bad
they
thing.
use for example Nigerian film when they do. They'll come black out this place. Can't show
Come
here.
show me that place.
All right, welcome to Paddy, everybody. With the Travis Sally, the greeting. Another beautiful week. It's the last day of the month, Abi?
Now the last day be this.
29, huh? Okay, now you want to add 30 to February.
So tomorrow na March.
Yes.
Tomorrow
Tomorrow, March.
Tomorrow na March.
Yes.
Bagala.
So today, now the last day of February. You know, say I've been remember this one when they talk Happy New Year. I tell you, I say time no dey wait for anybody. Now say you go come. Before you know what's happening, we're doing Merry Christmas. Another Happy New Year has come.
Hey, so another March now.
Now so now,
Another March.
another by day is coming.
Oh ja, another by day.
Oh, yeah.
Oh.
So that is the thing. In this life, you cannot be slow. You cannot dull yourself because time is really not waiting for anybody.
At all,
you understand? You have to do what you have to make AY the sun shine.
Exactly.
You have to do what you have to do so that the have to do will not have to do you.
So you not be done by the day. You understand? So that the night can be able to deed you and done upon you. You understand? Any which way, any rubbish way she talks, she means she just be ready. You understand? However you want to interpret the whole gist, just not say she means she be ready. Time not day.
Will you be ready when the new year comes? Will you be ready when the new year comes? I will be ready. I will be ready. I will be ready when the new year comes. I will be ready. I will be ready. Ready when the new year. Oh, will you be ready? Ready? Will you be ready? Ready? Will you be ready when the new year shall come? Will you be ready? Will you be ready? Will you be ready when the new year shall come?
Oh yeah.
I will be ready. I will be ready. I will be ready. I will be ready. New year shall come. Oh, I will be ready. I will be ready. I will be ready when the new year shall come. A word is enough for the white. Pra.
Break. You know those slap when they clear the color for your eye. Pa! You just see black and white.
Now this kind of you go talk wow. Wow.
It reformats the system.
The
You
guy,
understand?
all the lyrics of the guy, the thing disappear.
It's you I want. Pa!
Who are flight? Temporary blindness.
My dear.
Cha. My sister, you're very wicked.
Well,
What
the woman
happened?
never ever slapped me like that before.
No need. Why? Why would,
Really?
you know, I'm not be advocate of women with the violence.
No, because some guys they want to cross their boundary for some kind. She get one day I did for Yaba Market. That time Yaba Market, they sell market for that railway side. I just pass. One guy, those boys they can dare anyhow.
Oh no! If not,
One guy just pass my front. As guy just pass, they can say, "Come here." Now so you go they do. Ciao. As guy just pass, now so they just grab him for back. Big. Me where I even see the thing, I say, the guy automatically see slap.
That's so now.
We give the guy.
Pa!
Oh! The guy said, then they follow you, they play. For my this thing, you go they play anyhow. So, but anyway, some guys they deserve that slap.
No, you know, so that let me tell you something. That kind of slap, well-needed accessory.
Exactly, accessory.
An accessory. You go just look the person, say, look in cheek, say you need this accessory. Don't dash and slap.
Well, yeah.
You understand? Say use it.
Yes.
I dash you.
Yeah.
You understand?
You know.
You know, that's a different case. But a woman normally you are
Yes.
supposed to be seen,
Yes.
not heard.
Yes.
A woman
Wow.
shouldn't be too loud.
Yes.
A woman, suppose they everywhere. Even if you dey professional, make your work they speak for you. So that when they see you, elegance, poise, not be by money, not by courage of your woman self.
How's they look you?
You understand?
No, see, I just they look you just now. Say,
That is the thing.
oh, wow, a woman should not be too loud. Meanwhile, you loud.
No, I'm not loud. I'm just vocal.
Vocal.
There's a difference.
Anyway,
It's called voice
there's
training.
vocability and there's
Constant voice
loudness.
training.
There's a difference between being loud and being vocal.
Being
Ladies and
loud now,
gentlemen.
you sit down for somewhere, now your voice. Hey,
Hey, Nkechi, how now? Hey, Nkiru, now wow, you self, come up for this. No, I don't just say no. You don't do everywhere.
You don't do everywhere.
That's being loud.
But being
That's being loud.
vocal, now
Yes.
my job.
Yes.
I am paid to talk.
Not be lying.
You understand? And when they talk, na sense they come out.
Ladies and gentlemen, right about now, we'll
Yeah.
go for Yan the Yan.
In it.
Cheers, baby.
And we are back. Now, you know, say for Russia, you get this thing where then they do annually, this game something. Where we say when you buy game, you go they play game, they play with other people from other countries, video game. But you go they play, you don't even know who you they play the game with. But people they do and well online, even online. Like when they play, you get one particular game, Candy Crush.
Yes.
You go they play Candy Crush with people. Even people where you don't know go they give you life. Because you know, exchange of games, it gets somewhere that they play, we say now 2 people they play. You go they play for Nigeria. Like a Minion Rush now.
Yes.
And they compete with one particular guy for Japan. I don't even know him. But because of game lover, you know, you play and you play. Now, you get one particular gift where they win every year. Now, the Ruslan Shortrev, now name be that, Ruslan Shortrev, he's 60 years old. This guy is a gamer from Russia. He they like playing where he don't win prize for the 100,000th visitor to the website. Now, that website now website of games. You ask me, say, what's being prize when he win?
What's being prize when he win?
Ask me again.
What's being prize when he win?
Are you ready for this?
I'm ready.
You are ready?
I'm ready.
1 week stay for inside Moscow hotel. Now, the catch of it with a pornographic star.
Now 1 month now.
My brother.
Now 1 month.
1 month.
Now 1 month.
1 month with a pornographic star.
Hey.
They go stay the hotel together and the boy is just 16 years old. Now the parents, father say, no, this is not a good price. What is the meaning of this? What if na married man na him can win the, na so the mama talk. Say, what if na married man na him can win the prize? So he must go. They can't say no. According to the game, you fit decide say you no want, but you go need to pass them to somebody. We go feed do am. The man said, my son no go. The man said, okay, the only person to pass it to is his father. The mother said, I think you people want to die. I think you people want to die. Even the sister said no, that is not, she doesn't think it's a good gift. Because for God's sake, 1 month with a, what do you want to tell my brother to?
My brother,
and everything. But all in friends, they envy him. Hey, all in friends, they say, my guy. I wish say na me.
Yeah.
Hey, Bizwa.
So,
Yeah.
But for that place, I say for that aside for Russia for them, 16 years old, now be legal age.
Legal age, yeah.
Now be legal age
Yes.
for that place. But for this one, the boy don't actually reach when go fit make his own decisions. Actually. But any which way.
Legal
Therefore,
age.
see another gift they give.
Legal age no mean say make your parents know they responsible for you for some kind of
no,
thing.
definitely. But for this one, at least, when I don't see another gift give person. Now say make you can't spend 1 full month with woman where they act film.
Hey.
All those pornographic, this, that me say, and the boy is 16 years old.
Yes.
He never get any experience.
And the thing be say,
So
no be
nothing
say,
we done for body Ig.
yes. And the thing be say, no be say with the judge. I mean, if you want to spend 2 months with an X-rated movie star, that's your. See, at this point in time, as long as you be adult, that is your problem.
You can make your own decisions.
But my own be say, then they come on. Now waiting the parents they talk now, and the family members they come on say no be ideal price for him or for anybody for that matter. Give him award, give him money, give him something, give him scholarship, something. No be to come spend 1 month with a X-rated your star to be doing Wafekulale. Come on, what's wrong with you? Wafekulale? Is it 1 month of Wafekulale?
Mommy, is it your gift?
It's a con gift.
Is it your gift?
It's a son gift. They
Is it
didn't have
your
who to
gift?
pass it on to.
No.
You want him to pass it on to his sister?
No.
Or to pass it on to his father?
They say
Who is gonna give?
father is out of it. But the boy is 16 years, he don't enter legal age. And say he go play the game alone.
dey sweet
No,
you.
nah, he no dey sweet me anything. Me I talk from 2 different sides. One, the company will go carry those kind of people give person and say, okay, now you go collect gifts. Secondly, you don't win the gift now, okay. Mama, we paka. But any which way, bad thing bad, good thing good.
Anyway, the mama's son said this particular thing now don't they scatter their family and her son don't decrease.
I beg, the boy will make decisions for your own life. May they leave him.
Yeah.
Anyway, for my own gist, the first gist for my hand for here. Okay, first, I'll talk about this mama own way. 50 years old man will say, okay, make you go pay surrogate mama. Surrogate mama, now those women, the way they go pay money, say, okay, see you, the
Carry
man
belle
go
for
carry, carry belly for this particular man, maybe because maybe the man wife or the woman not fit carry the belly, so somebody else carry the belly to help the woman born am. At the end of the day, you no get any connection with the pikin.
According to law.
According to law, they go pay your money, you carry belly, 9 months, you born, you waka.
As you dey born that pikin, then they collect am.
Then they collect am. You no get any connect with that person. Then they call am surrogate mother. Now, this 50 years old man come say, okay, baby girl, come and born a pikin for me. As the woman come carry pikin for carry belly for am now, last, they come find out say, na 3 pikins.
Egbezwa.
Triplets.
Wawu.
Not be 1. Not manage even 2. 3. That means that woman egg, they waka in multiples.
Come multiple egg.
Multiple things. So now 3 now the man can go carry. Now the man say, as it be like this, young woman, we go abort 2. We will keep 1. The woman say, no, I don't come and feature abort the whole thing. Last, the woman born the 3 pikins them. And she can say, okay, 2 out of the 3. Make sure they take care of them. But now, based on the court things and many talk on those legal matters for that side, they say no. Say she no go get any kind of affiliation or kind of relationship with the children. So now, plenty don't go to challenge the court now. Say no. I know just be woman just they born anyhow. I don't burn the agreement old. They don't collect her. The remaining 2 make her come and collect that one. So battle back and forth. Now the day now. I'll just hope see last the woman will get these children to keep for her own self. But you said before recognize it first of all, the law said already states say any pikin you born, you no get a relationship with her. But they wish you well last for your hustle. Just hoping say you go fit take care of those children.
You know, say according the way me I take Siam, my own
viewpoints.
Yes, my own viewpoint. Thank you. The thing be say, first of all, the woman supposed to understand say when it comes to being a surrogate mother, the law is the law.
Exactly.
And the law for that side talk say you no get any connect with the pikin. Because they know once later, make the pikin can't say maybe the pikin can't turn to somebody. You can't begin claim say now your child.
Yes.
Now your child begin trouble the family.
Yes.
They want you as far away as the child
Yes.
as possible.
Possible.
But in her own, it is different. Because the guy no wants the 3.
He wants 1.
He wants 1. The law don't collect 1. The remaining 2, instead of carrying my children go foster home, make it they be like, say, bring them for me. I go take care of them. But you know why the law no one agree? Because as long as the 2 still there, they go know
They go find that
get
1.
And that 3rd person, then go find that they go want keep relationship.
Exactly.
And now waiting the man no want and the law. That's why her own case they die.
Now the wahala now be that.
Now the problem now.
Because 3plets now how you want to separate them now?
Yes.
And you don't already scatter those children life.
Yes.
Because 1 go to one place, 2 go to another place, and those 2 they go scatter them.
I know so when you both children, if it be say the 2 where they with the mama, maybe they will not have the luxurious life like the other one. And then you come they say you killed me, you didn't take me to have a good life.
All of them come jump on Facebook. Later.
You have the same nose as me. Come let me see your nose.
We resemble. They say,
Hey,
wow.
this hair in front of your nose
It's
is
like my
nose.
own hair.
Hey, see your ear. Your ear is come down. It's like my own.
They wish they were last. Madam, we just hope so you go fit win the whole battle things. All right, so more match to break here and go for a break it to go and buy a market. We they come back right now. Mayowa and Ogbao's baby. We they come back.
Children, you get one poster when I see where the pikin in baby cot, small baby in baby cot, he don't climb am. He want put leg for the other side to come down and they write, what do they feed these babies these days? As in they do like Superman, Spider-Man, Voltron.
I don't watch many before.
Voltron.
You get twins like that way they always find how to take escape.
One go come down, go find us, go take open door for the other one.
And that one day we say they will come carry their cut, baby cut near each other. They can't draw. This one can't enter this one, so they can't come down together. But anyway.
Another one day you go lie down, the one go climb on top and to open door. They'll come stand up, enter inside the door together.
One day if you just pass your house, just see children for fence. What are you doing here?
They'll come sit there, they climb themselves.
Your mama, come over that place.
All right, back to the other half of my story. One particular Turkish husband in the sue in wife for insulting the country's president. Change the TV channel when the president don't come. You know, say be like say the woman they talk. So what will be your problem? Every time president. Now this one, you know, patriotism. Now when you like your government, you like your government. Now this one, an extreme case of patriotism. I'll tell you why. because the guy na truck driver. He dey sue his own wife for insulting the nation's president. Now, make I tell him. They said the latest incident happened a few days ago during one of Erdogan's television speeches. Now, Erdogan is the Turkish president.
Okay.
Now, Ali Dinks, now the name of the guy. This is not the Turkish president.
Okay.
That guy we they show before, now the man. He don't tell his wife, Gulkan, say make you know they insult the man. But she no hear. No insult the man, she no hear. No insult the man, she no hear. Now you can't say, what will be your problem? If I insult her, I go police, now go tell them say I insult her. Now the man carry you, he go court.
I will go.
Now he go court. He said, I want to sue my wife for insulting the president.
Wow.
Even if my father is the one who do it, I will sue him.
Wow.
I can't take it. Now the woman say, this one don't decrease. Hello, give me divorce. I'm not even doing it again. What's the meaning of that? Not be smart, you know. If they sue him, say she don't get respect for the president. Say every time when the president they show for TV, now that time she won't change the channel. Now he sue his wife. Brother, this is what they tell you so. The problem tough. As me and you they talk so. The man no here say lie. This woman must go. Now the woman tells uncle, I think that you are not well. Because even me I want to leave you. I can't live with a sick man. Now she must say she want divorce.
The president they pay you money.
Make I even tell you, 2 young boys, 12 and 13, then jail them for 4 years for commoting the poster of that president last year. That is how much patriotism then gets for this particular Turkish president.
Anyway, na their country. So anything they do,
Just
fine.
be like, make I sue you now because you insult.
You can't sue me now.
What did he do? He insult president.
Anyway, we just leave the gist like that because if I want to talk about anything, we all talk Chris. I will talk Chris our own president and many things.
My
so
mama go say,
I
one B.
cast myself.
My mama go say, 1B.
So because say I come and insult the president, you come and sue me, go there. Show the ekpe by. Ishirimma. Anyway, make a leave am for there. They form language things. Is your digimma? Is your digimma?
Then they teach you. Then they teach you for there.
No, I dey remember the language. I
Remember fire. Remember I wound you there.
23 years old Ukrainian man.
Bagam.
23. This guy don dey pose like say him be Smally
Oh,
for one particular school for inside Obodo for that side. Now, actually, in real age na 23, but he can't carry football age, can't go enter school. For the past 4 years, he dey school for the school as 18 years old person with different name. For the school, they call him for the school they call him Asha Potts, and I be this.
Oh,
but in real name na Ato Samarin. In they pretend to be 18 years old.
Why?
18 years old for the school and an active member in Combi. Police talk say this particular guy possessed a driver's license and many things. So he just change his identity, but in visa been don't expire because no supposed not be that country person. Say, but last parents and people the way they did the school and many things they come they take say this guy honestly na very respectable guy, and the guy said na very perfect role model. The kind of person where you go feel say okay make your children they look up to. And the guy they involve himself for different school things, different gathering. We go gather students and it's okay fight against different profitable things and things. But last they can't find out say this guy get good use in actual identity. They can enter that school. And they pretend to be some years younger than in real age. 23 years old now be in actual age, but 18 years old now can be in football/school age.
So they arrest them.
So now they can say, okay, Oga, you have to come and be under arrest for false identity and many other accusations on top of the level.
Charges of theft, identity theft, and tampering with public records.
Exactly. Because last, once you don't go claim another identity where legally go do, the false identity you don't enter. So, and you are punishable. You get punishable
by law.
By law. According to section 57, subsection 92, paragraph 19, page 47.
Cut!
It states, and I quote.
And you quote.
Let's go for laugh the laugh.
Bam. Cut!
Some girls don't even know say they be gold digger. It goes out to every woman, plus you too, plus you. It goes to you too. Make una they learn now. Learn it finish. No, not gonna do anyhow. Thank you very much. God bless all of you. We see you tomorrow at Wazobia Paddy or talk Twitter. They learn now. They learn. That's not gonna do anyhow. See what's in the apple now. They go drive off on you too. Let it teach me. una know say una just enjoy the video they wanna just watch, make una sharply subscribe to our channel. Not darling.
As we dey carry